I'm glad I took the path into manufacturing. When I was in HR, I didn't go to the plant too much. It didn't really occur to me until I transitioned to the environmental health and safety role, where now I'm in the plant every single day, all day long sometimes. And now I look at manufacturing and I say that manufacturing is beautiful and I love it. My name is Diana Caruso and I am the EHS specialist. I feel like I fell into it and I'm grateful for how it happened. I was interning at a law firm. I was just trying to get out of there as fast as I can. I got the job with HR and I joined the safety culture team that we have here, and I was teaching the 10-week new hire course every single week, and that's how I kind of got familiar with EHS. I'm still learning so much, but I'm actually enjoying it. I do love the career. There is no typical day, which is one thing I do love about my job. I deal with a lot of waste. I do a lot of safety. You will hear no matter what Saint-Gobain site you go to that safety is truly important. One thing that I'm working on right now that's big is lockout tagout, adding more locks to an area so they can be able to lock out safely. And then I do a lot of industrial hygiene sampling as well. The point of it is to make sure that we're not exposing our employees to things that are outside their exposure limits. I might sample someone's hearing to prevent their hearing loss in the future. I love that I still get to help people. I think the culture is great here. We have a good group of women here. We have the Women's Network. They get together, they plan events, they plan a lot of inspirational things too. I think that it's great to inspire women to do that. So I would tell them, look at manufacturing, look in different roles here, look into maybe EHS. Saint-Gobain is a great company that, wants to see their internal employees succeed anyway. And I felt very grateful for the path that Saint-Gobain has led me. My name is Diana Caruso, and I am a manufacturer.